expect to get to New York at the rate you're going?
But that's none of your business.
You're on a budget from now on.
Now, just a minute.
Shut up.
You've got a name, haven't you?
Yeah, I got a name. Peter Warren.
Peter Warren. I don't like it.
Don't let it bother you. You were giving it back to me in the morning.
Take me with you, Peter. Take me to your island. I want to do all those things you talked about.
You better go back to your bed.
Do you mind if I try?
You? Don't make me laugh.
Oh, you're such a smart Alex. Nobody knows anything but you. I'll stop a car, and I won't use my thumb.
What are you going to do?
The system on my own.